This research study by John Rey M. Batiancila, yours truly, and Dr. Lyndon A. Quines from the University of Mindanao, Davao City, Philippines, examines the interconnections between school heads, instructional leadership behavior, and teachers' work values, mental health, and self-esteem. The researchers aim to develop a path model that illuminates how these various factors influence one another within the educational environment. Their work seeks to contribute to improving teachers' welfare and educational outcomes by understanding these complex relationships. Teacher self-esteem is crucial for educational effectiveness as high self-esteem enhances teaching quality and student outcomes, while low self-esteem increases stress and burnout, negatively impacting classroom dynamics. This research addresses a critical gap in understanding how organizational factors like instructional leadership behavior, work values, and mental health influence teachers' self-esteem in public elementary schools, aligning with UN Sustainable Development Goals for education quality and well-being. Through structural modeling, the study aims to generate evidence-based insights that could inform policies to enhance teacher self-esteem, ultimately improving educational outcomes and teacher retention rates in public elementary schools. The study primarily aims to develop a structural model that best predicts self-esteem among public elementary school teachers in Region 12, examining multiple dimensions of instructional leadership behavior, including resource provision, visibility, professional development, and curriculum implementation. The research seeks to assess teachers' work values across various aspects, such as authority, ambition, social justice, and environmental sustainability, while also evaluating their mental health through factors like sleep, quality, well-being, stress levels, and resilience. Additionally, the study examines teachers' self-esteem through multiple dimensions, including acceptance of profession, professional pride, and belief in professional capabilities. Finally, the research aims to determine significant relationships between instructional leadership behavior, work values, mental health, and self-esteem to construct a best fit predictive model for teachers' self-esteem. This descriptive correlation study utilized a non-experimental research design with path modeling involving 400 public elementary school teachers across various positions from Region 12, with participants strategically distributed across General Santos City, Coronadal City, South Cotabato, and Sarangani. The research employed four extensively validated survey questionnaires measuring instructional leadership behavior, work values, mental health, and self-esteem, which demonstrated high reliability and expert validation ratings. Following ethical approvals and guidelines, the study utilized statistical methods including means, person-R correlation, and path analysis to determine the best fitting structural equation model while maintaining strict ethical standards throughout the research process. The conceptual frameworks hypothesized Model 1 examines how instructional leadership behavior, work values, and mental health directly influence teacher self-esteem, integrating multiple theoretical frameworks. The structural equation model uses rectangular shapes for measured variables and single-headed arrows to illustrate direct relationships, aiming to determine the best fit explanation for these variable interactions to inform educational leadership and professional development initiatives. The study found that elementary school teachers in Region 12 experienced very high levels of instructional leadership from their school heads, with curriculum implementation being the strongest area and instructional resource provision being the weakest. Elementary teachers in Region 12 exhibit high work values and strong professional commitment, fostering student achievement and continual teacher development through innovation and professional growth. Elementary school teachers in Region 12 demonstrated very high levels of mental health in terms of well-being and positive mental health, while showing high levels in sleep, well-being, and resilience, though they exhibited moderate stress levels. Teachers in Department of Education demonstrated very high self-esteem across five indicators. This high self-esteem also appears to boost teachers' resilience to stress and reduce burnout risk, ultimately enhancing their classroom effectiveness and job satisfaction. The study indicates that instructional leadership behaviors positively correlate with teacher self-esteem, with curriculum implementation showing the strongest relationship. This implies that school leaders who actively support curriculum and engage with teachers visibly through feedback foster greater teacher confidence and professional growth. The analysis shows a significant positive correlation between elementary teachers' work values and self-esteem, particularly strong in areas of helping and supporting. This implies that teachers who value collaboration and support in the workplace tend to have higher self-esteem, while autonomy and authority have less influence on their self-worth. The study finds a strong positive correlation between teachers' mental health and self-esteem, with psychological well-being and resilience having the most substantial impact on self-worth compared to physical stressors. The model's mixed fit indices, including poor RMSEA and Truckle-Lewis index, despite acceptable CFI and NFI, indicate it is not the best fit for predicting teachers' self-esteem. Path Analysis Model 1 revealed significant relationship between instructional leadership behavior and work values, as well as between teachers' self-esteem and work values, but showed no significant relationship between instructional leadership, behavior, and teachers' mental health, though this model was not identified as the best fit for predicting teachers' self-esteem. The path analysis for Model 2 showed mixed fit indices with positive indicators, including high values for GFI, CFI, and NFI, but poor indicators, including high RMSEA, low P-close, high CMIN, DF, and low TLI. Based on these results, Model 2 was deemed not to be the best fit model for predicting teacher self-esteem as it failed to meet all the required criteria for model fitness. Based on Table 11's regression analysis from Model 2, significant relationships were found between instructional leadership behavior and teachers' work values, between teachers' self-esteem and work values, and between self-esteem and instructional leadership, with p-values below 0.05 indicating significant predictions. However, no significant relationship was found between instructional leadership behavior and teachers' mental health. Table 12 shows that Model 3 exhibits an excellent fit for predicting self-esteem among elementary school teachers with key indicators such as P-close value of 0.04, CMNI-DF value, GFI, CFI, and RMSEA, all supporting strong model fit. This fit statistics suggest that Model 3 is highly suitable for this analysis in Department of Education Region 12. Table 13 demonstrates significant relationship between instructional leadership behavior and teachers' work values, while also showing that teachers' work values, mental health, and instructional leadership behaviors are significant predictors of teachers' self-esteem. All relationship between variables were statistically significant with p-values below 0.05, confirming the predictive value of these factors in the path analysis model. Based on the analysis of the three path models predicting teachers' self-esteem in the Department of Education, models 1 and 2 were found to be inadequate fits due to not meeting standard fit criteria in their path modeling of data. Model 3 emerged as the best fit model, demonstrating excellent fit across multiple measures including close, CMINDF, GFI, CFI, NFI, TLI, and RMSEA. The superior fit for Model 3 was achieved through the removal of weak influencing variables that were not significantly linked to other variables in the previous models, resulting in a more refined and theoretical sound model for predicting teacher retention in the Department of Education Region 12. The path analysis model demonstrates that teachers' self-esteem is significantly influenced by a combination of mental health, instructional leadership behavior, and work values, with work values showing the strongest direct effect in explaining 45% of self-esteem variance. A notable finding is a significant reciprocal relationship between work values and mental health, along with work values, influence on instructional leadership behavior, all demonstrating good statistical significance. The study investigated predictors of teacher self-esteem in Region 12's Department of Education, finding significant relationships between instructional leadership behavior, work values, mental health, and self-esteem, with Path Analysis Model 3 emerging as the best fit predictive model. Research findings revealed very high levels of instructional leadership behavior in teacher self-esteem, along with high mental health levels despite moderate stress, leading to recommendations for wellness programs, enhanced teacher autonomy, and comprehensive administrative support. Based on multiple theoretical frameworks, including Hallinger and Morphy's instructional leadership model and Rosenberg's self-esteem theory, the study emphasizes the importance of contextualizing implementations across different geographic and cultural settings. And these are my references. Teachers demonstrate remarkable strength by confronting daily challenges in their profession, from classroom management to personal struggles, with their resilience reflecting deep dedication to education rather than weakness. The acknowledgement and management of mental health, work-life balance, and professional self-worth challenges showcase essential qualities that enhance both teaching effectiveness and emotional intelligence, modeling for student making teachers' well-being crucial for educational success.